Yo, what is up, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing box number 255 from the mystery tackle box by the Catch Co. Bass Fishing Kit. 5 to 6 items, and we did have to go to a different Walmart to get one that was not opened. Crack that seal for you guys. We're going to crack that seal for you guys. Open it up. Flip this sucker around. I'm gonna give you guys first look. Let me know what we get. Closing my eyes. Good stuff or no? Trash?
I haven't seen some of these before.
Okay, good.
Kind of what we got last time.
I'm gonna open up my eyes now.
There's one thing we got last time.
Oh snap! We got a cycle bait underspin. The Colorado Cycle Blade. Coming in at 3/4 of an ounce. The cycle bait underspin thumps through the depths with a thunderous boom. You heard that here, folks. Thunderous boom. 10,000 fish. This is my first lure from 10,000 fish. The Colorado Cycle Blade. Next, we got a pack of EWG hooks. Don't really need these, I already have a crap ton, but hooks are always nice. My first Googan bait. Got some bandito bugs, some California craws. Not too shabby. Ooh, check out this bad boy. We got a Weston floating twin turbo spot on. Warning, cancer. What? This thing's gonna give me cancer. What? And last but not least, we got the Lunker Hut finesse worms coming at 1/4 of an ounce, 3 inches, and these are pre-rigged with a weedless barb right there. Guys, I think I like the panfish kits better. I don't know about you, but kind of disappointed. Let's see the sticker. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed, aren't ya? We got a Weston Spot On Twin Turbo, 10,000 fish cycle blade underspin, Googan bait bandito bug, Lunker Hot finesse worm pre-rigged, Harmony Fishing Company Co. Razor Series EWG hooks. We're gonna add all this up and see if it comes out more than $25. On the 5th day, God made squishy fish and squiggly creatures to live in the ocean. Then God made birds to fly across the sky. And this is what this channel's all about, catching those fish